Hi, and welcome to day 8 of the Fly Lady 31 Baby Steps Challenge. I know you've been doing so good with your routines. So far, we have been shining our sinks every single night. We have been dressing to shoes every single morning. We've also been taking away those negative thoughts and replacing it with positive ones. And then we've added a hotspot, which is where we take 2 minutes to get rid of all the clutter that we can on our flat surface areas or any cluttered hooks that may be hanging around. Then on Friday, we've added picking out our clothes the night before. I hope you've been doing all of your routines, as this is the building blocks of the Fly Lady system. Okay, so now that we're dressed to shoes, let's begin with the next one. All we have to do today is we're going to write out our routines. So you're going to take a sheet of paper and we're going to get to work. This is the beginning of the control journal. This control journal is a total game changer. It will help to keep your life and your home super duper organized. We will talk about it more as the days continue, but just know that this is going to replace our sticky notes for now. So get a sheet of paper and let's get to work.
You're going to start by dividing your paper into 2 sections, one labeled morning routine and the other one labeled before bed routine. Then in the morning, you're going to want to write dress to shoes because we do that every single morning. And in the evening, you're going to write shine your sink and pick out your clothes because we do that every single night. And that's it for now.
As I was mentioning earlier, this is the start of our control journal. A control journal is going to be one of the central points of this whole entire system. It will help get not only your home, but your whole entire life organized too. It is such an exciting thing. The Fly Lady does recommend to have a binder to put our first sheet of paper in, but if you don't have one just yet, don't worry. Do not go out of your budget or anything like that, since it's just one sheet of paper for today. Whatever you have will do. If you have a binder, great. If not, you can use a folder, a page protector, or even just a safe spot in your desk. Whatever you have at hand. But just know that in the future, you might want to plan accordingly to be able to get a binder if you wish, because like I said, the control journal is going to be super important. It's a whole system in and of itself. You can put whatever you want on it. We're going to get more into those details later. So just have that in the back of your mind. But for now, with our one sheet of paper, we're going to keep track of it and keep it nice and safe. And we're going to continue doing our routines from there. You're going to want to stick around because we have a lot more fun stuff coming. So if you're not yet subscribed, be sure to click on that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss a single beat. Don't forget to comment done in the comments down below for your chance to win once you finish today's challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.